All I do is ball. All I do is ball. All I do is.
Shout out to the Flatline Movement, the VA Battlegrounds, March 16th, Eyes of March, back at it again. What's the main event? What can I say, my nigga? I hear on the other side, niggas is still unhappy with me for the last joint. Don't worry about it. Real niggas don't make excuses. We just get back up. It's not about the photo, it's about to get back. Nigga, real niggas know that. But shout out to J-Rock for biting that smack shit. Word, shout out to that nigga for biting that smack shit, yo. But y'all already know what time it is. This time it's gonna be just straight demolished. I'm being straight disrespectful with this boy. So like, I hope he bring his best shit. You already know, said boy. But don't bring that shit that you bought this up. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, shouts out to the VA Battleground, Flatline Movement. You already know. Niggas better have their bars together, man. Last time, nigga, you know, whatever the fuck. But last time, it's not gonna be this time, my nigga. So you gonna say I choked? Go ahead with that shit. You bit. You already know what it is. Word for word, you stole nigga shit, nigga. It's going down, March 16th. Y'all better be there, man. Y'all better be there. Niggas always saying they coming to the battle and never show their faces. I'm not fucking with you niggas. You coming to the battle, come to the battle, nigga. It's $5 at the door. Pay that shit. Y'all niggas stop being cheap, nigga. Get this money. VA Battlegrounds in this bitch. Holla at your boy. Catalog, nigga. We out.
Your favorite club, we show them. I don't think they know. Niggas tell them how it go.
All I do is ball. All I do is ball. All I do is ball. Bitch, I'm on a winning streak. Bitch, I'm on a winning streak. Bitch, I'm on a winning streak. Bitch, I'm on a winning streak.